Hi friends, this is Miss Muller. We're doing Purple Sort 21. We're doing short U and long U. And the U sound makes an EW and a UE at the end. And we're also going to be talking about an open syllable as we did in our last sort. Remember that an open syllable is when a syllable or a one-syllable word ends with a long vowel sound. When it ends with a long vowel sound, that makes it an open syllable. We're also going to see a lot of homophones in this sort. Remember, a homophone is a word that's two words that sound identical but are spelled differently and mean different things. Let's start with our first column, short U, consonant, vowel, consonant, CVC. Go ahead and find the word thumb. Kind of makes the sound like umbrella. Thumb. That's our helper word. Go ahead and find the word plump. Plump. Go ahead and find the word brush. Brush. You brush your teeth with a toothbrush. Go ahead and find the word stuck. Stuck. Sometimes your boots might get stuck in the mud. That short U says The next word I want you to find is junk. And the next word I want you to find after that is trunk, like the trunk of a car. Let's review these short U words. We have thumb, plump, brush, stuck, junk, trunk. Now we're going to talk about the EU column, CVV, so consonant, vowel, vowel. This W in the sort, the W acts as a vowel. That's why it's an open syllable. Let's start with the helper word. Look for the word new, and this is spelled N-E-W. And this word means like you got a new pair of shoes over the weekend. New. And the E-W makes that ooh sound. So the W again acts as a vowel. Go ahead and find the word grew. Grew. She grew 2 inches over the summer. Grew. Go ahead and find the word chew. Chew. Please chew with your mouth closed. Chew. The next word I want you to find is few. Few. There were only a few choices of paper left. Few. Go ahead and find the word flew. We flew a kite over the weekend. Flew. Now, this next word I want you to find is a homophone to the first word we did, which is new. Now, the K is silent, so it sounds just like the new up here. This new, remember, means to have a new pair of shoes, brand new. This kind of new means I knew the answer was 4 to 2 plus 2. So something that you know, new. The next word I want you to find is stew. Stew. If you put a lot of vegetables and meat into a pot, you can make a stew. The next word I want you to find is blue. Now this kind of blue is I blew the bubbles or I blew the birthday cake candles out. It's an action. The next word I want you to find is dew. Sometimes in the morning you might have morning dew on your grass. That means there's kind of frost. It was cold outside. Dew. And the last word in this sort is crew. Crew. An airplane crew are the people that help you. It's the crew. Let's go over these words together. We have new, grew, chew, few, flew, new, stew, blue, dew, and crew. Let's look at the next column, the UE, open syllable, consonant, vowel, vowel. Let's look for the helper word first, the word blue. Now this blue, unlike the blue here, remember the blue here meant to blow out a candle. This blue is the color, B-L-U-E. A flue is a part of your fireplace that you have to open in order to be able to start a fire. A flue. not the kind of flu you get when you're sick. The next word I want you to find is due. Now, this is not like the dew on your grass. This is your money for the field trip is due by Friday. The next word I want you to find is glue. Glue. And the last word in this column is true. True. Let's go over these words together. Say them with me. We have blue, flu, do, glue, and true. Now, you don't have an oddball header, and that's okay, but there are 3 words that are oddballs. I want you to go ahead and take a look at them. Now, I want you to put them up here. So we have truth, we have do, D-O, and we have so. And these are oddballs because their vowels say something different than the rest and don't fit into the pattern. So truth kind of has that short O, ooth, truth. Do has the oo sound. And this last word right here, it looks like sue, but this word is actually sew. Like if you were to sew a blanket together, or you were to sew a pillow, or sew a hole in your pants. And that EW, it does not say ooh. It says sew. So it does not fit into this column. New, sue. It doesn't make that sound. So the vowels actually make a different sound, which makes it an oddball. It does not fit into these categories. Nice job today, friends.